Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and analysis.
Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the WyzeCam V31080 PHD Smart Home Security Camera. This compact camera offers a range of features that make it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor surveillance.
Stick around as we delve into the details.
The WyzeCam V3 comes equipped with a starlight sensor that allows you to see in color even in low light conditions. This means you can monitor your surroundings with remarkable clarity, day or night. With a 1080p HD video resolution, you won't miss any important details. Whether you're keeping an eye on your baby or monitoring your property, this camera ensures high-quality video recording.
Receive instant notifications on your smartphone when the camera detects motion or sound.
It's like having an extra set of eyes and ears, providing you with peace of mind. The built-in speaker and microphone allow for two-way communication. You can soothe your baby with your voice or communicate with someone in the camera's vicinity using the Wyze app. You have the option to save videos locally using a micro SD card or subscribe to WyzeCam Plus for a 14-day free trial of cloud storage.
Choose the storage option that suits your needs.
The WyzeCam V3 features an improved magnetic base and mounting kit, making installation on flat surfaces a breeze.
No need to hire a professional, you can set it up yourself.
The WyzeCam V3 is available in a convenient 2-pack, and it's priced at just $70.98.
Plus, there's a $5 coupon available for additional savings. It's a budget-friendly option for top-notch home security. To further protect your investment, consider adding a protection plan. You can get a 2-year plan for $6.39 or a 3-year plan for $7.99, both offering substantial savings and peace of mind. While it shares many features with the V3, the WyzeCam V3 stands out with its color night vision and improved mounting kit. The limited edition offers the same great features with a sleek black design for those looking for a different aesthetic. In conclusion, the WyzeCam V31080 PHD Smart Home Security Camera is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking reliable and affordable home surveillance. With its impressive night vision, two-way audio, and easy installation, it's a versatile camera that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Don't forget to check out the $5 coupon and consider adding a protection plan for added security. That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or would like us to review a specific product, let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.